Today we are working on Jasper Active Lesson 4, the second lesson within Lesson 4, adding document references. So this is the document that you should have open. So the first thing it says to do with this file open, move to page 2 of the document. Tolano Environmental Consulting Corporate Profile. Click the image to select it. So this image right here. And then on the References tab, go up here to the References tab. In the Captions group, here's your Captions group. Click Insert Caption, and that's going to open this caption dialog box. Notice that a value figure X already displays in the caption field. So right now it says figure 1. The cursor should already be positioned inside the caption field at the end of the existing text, which it is. So then we're going to hit the space bar and type TEC logo. TEC logo, capitalize the TEC. Ensure below selected item is selected in the position field, which you see it is in mine, and then click OK. Word inserts a caption within a text box below the image, so you see that it did that right there. With the cursor positioned in the caption box, press Control E, and that centered it. Move to page 3, and then click on this image. On the References tab, we're going to click Insert Caption again. In the field, press spacebar and type TA logo. TA logo. Ensure the position is set below the selected item, and then click OK. We're going to center it again by pressing Control E. Step 10, move to page 6, where you see the organization chart. We're going to just click in it, and that selects this Smart Art diagram. On the References tab in the Captions group, click Insert Caption. In the caption field, we're going to press the space bar, and we're going to type Tolano Organization Chart. Although generally captions for images are placed below the image, in this case you want the reader to see the descriptive caption before examining the chart. Click the position arrow and then select above selected item. Above selected item, and then click OK. And you can see that it inserted that above it. Alright, so mark this as answered. Go to the second. Move to page 7, Company Policies, and click the Table selector for the table below the vacation days. On the References tab in the Captions group, click Insert Caption. In the Captions dialog box, display the Label drop-down list and click Table. Notice that the caption changes from figure X to Table 1. You can see that it did that right here. Click in the Caption field, press spacebar, and then type Vacation Allotment. Ensure that the position is set to above selected item, which you see that it is, and then click OK. You see that it put that above there. Move to page 9, Health Benefits. Click in the Table selector for the table below the Dental heading. And then we're going to click Insert Caption. In the caption field, press the space bar and type dental coverage. Ensure the label is set to table and above selected item, and then click OK. Enter a new caption for the long-term disability with the text disability coverage. We're going to do the same thing. Insert. Click here, spacebar. Disability coverage. Ensure the label is set to table, above selected item, and then click OK. And you see that it did that. Mark this as answered and go to the next one. Move to the top of page 2. Go all the way back up to page 2. With the cursor at the beginning of the heading, Talano Environmental. So right here, we're going to click right before that T. Press Control Enter. Control Enter. And that inserted a page break. Press the up arrow to move to the top of page 2. So I'll press the up arrow and that moved me to the top of page 2. Type list of figures and tables. I'm just going to remind you that you can highlight this. Go right up here and copy that text if you want to, and then go here and Control V and that will paste it. And then press Enter, or you could type it. Apply the heading 2 style to the text. So let's go to up here and heading 2 style. Heading 2. And then click in the blank line below the heading. On the References tab in the Captions group, so go to References in the Caption group, click Insert Table of Figures. In the General section of the dialog box, click Formats. So right here where it says Format, and we want it to say Distinctive. Display the caption label drop down list right here, and then click Figure, and then click OK. Word inserts a table of figures. On the line below the list of figures, press Enter, and that inserts a blank line. On the References tab in the Captions group, we're going to click Insert Table of Figures again. Display the caption label drop down list, and if necessary click Table. Ours already does, and then leave the other options as currently set, and then click OK. And that completes this section. So submit it. Hopefully we will see 3 green check marks, and we did. So as usual, if you didn't get something right, you can go back and redo things to where you make 100. And this completes adding document references.